You're talking stocks with Nora, the Stock Explorer.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nora, and I want to bring to you today a fantastic company that I think should be on everyone's watch list. It's called CRISPR. C-R-I-S-P-R. The ticker symbol is CRSP. Okay, it's an American company. They are listed on the NASDAQ. If you have not heard of this company and what they are doing, today is an excellent chance to get familiar. There are many articles and videos you can watch about CRISPR technology. Basically, what it's doing is editing genes. They call it gene editing. Some people call it gene vandalism, but what they did was they discovered that in the bacteria, I believe it was E. coli, they studied the bacteria and they found how the bacteria protects itself from viruses. And basically what the bacteria does, and this has evolved over millions of years, but it is able to go in and snip out a piece of the DNA of the virus. Okay, so scientists saw that and they said, well, we can use this to do this with a human being's DNA, right? And they're using the same mechanism, but of course it is a patented process that only CRISPR is utilizing. However, there are a few other companies that are also working in the gene editing field. However, CRISPR always seems to get much more attention, okay, because I believe they were one of the first to do it. Okay, guys, so what I want to do is put this on your radar, because as I've looked at the biotech stocks this morning, I can see that many of them are down. However, I feel extremely bullish about biotech going into 2021. These are the companies that are going to be able to correct or possibly eliminate disease and possibly extend human life. Now, I can see this having a huge run up because of how it will directly affect us. Now, a lot of people are investing in EV stocks, but I think this has the capacity to be even bigger, because if you think about, maybe you can get some gene therapy to remove a disease that you have been struggling with your entire life, or perhaps you can cure a family member, maybe even of cancer. Who wouldn't be super hyped and pumped about a company like this and want to put their money behind it? I know I do. Okay, guys, I'm very interested in science. I've always enjoyed science and technology, and I could explain this better, but I don't want the video to go on for too long. What I want to do in this video is highlight 3 companies that I think should be on your watch list, as well as a 4th, which would be a way that you can invest in all of them together and not worry about it. Okay, the first one, of course, is CRISPR, and it's had an amazing week so far. Let's take a look at the chart. Okay, on the 1-year chart, look at this. Of course, this is when we all had a downtime in the market, the crash due to the health situation. However, it has had a very nice recovery since then. Today it happens to be down. All the biotech happens to be popped down a little, but it's definitely, I think, going to bounce up, and today would be a great day to get in on this. Let me move this over for you. There we go, that's better. Okay, under technicals, you can see it is listed as a buy. Okay, the market cap is $11.058 billion. Okay, and their volume is 2.226 million today. It's got a lot of investors interested in it. I also follow Kerry from the Best of Us Investors. He is very, very interested in biotech, and I agree with many of the points that he brings about. One being he had a family member pass from cancer, and of course he wants to carry on her legacy and work to find a cure for cancer. And these are the type of companies that are going to do that for you. Okay, let's look at the next one. It's going to be called NTLA. Ticker symbol is NTLA. NTLA Therapeutics, also listed on the NASDAQ, an American company. You know I love my American stocks. It's down today. These are a great time to get in on these, guys. Okay, technicals, it's listing it as a buy, extend, breakout, or will continue to run. Now these are ideas that are put up here by other traders, and I don't know them personally. I can just look at the way they drew their different charts out. But what I can do is scroll through and see what the overall sentiment is. And the overall sentiment for NTLA is long-term bullish. Okay, if you want some place to put your money that you think it's not only going to grow, but it's going to be somewhat safe, because we are only going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. These biotech companies, these solid biotech companies, are ones to put your money into. Okay. All right, the next one on my list is going to be Editas, or Editas. Okay, Editas Medicine, also NASDAQ, American company. Let's look at what we have here. It's listed as a buy. It's down today too. I'm not understanding, but this is a great time to jump in on these. Okay, market cap of $4.57 billion. Another huge monster of a company. Let's look at the sentiment. Bull flag breakout. These might make nice swing trades or nice option plays, guys. It looks like these are about to all take off to the moon in 2021. Okay, everybody's long-term bullish on these. Okay. All right. Now the fourth one that I want to show you is a way that you can invest in all of them, and that is through the ARKG fund. It's an ETF. Okay, it's an American company ran by Kathy Wood from ARK Invest. If you have not heard of Kathy Wood and ARK Invest, go ahead and check her out. She is a fantastic investor and stock picker. So much more than that, but she's an amazing businesswoman, and she is interested in the disruptive stocks, maybe some of the stocks that you can't really envision how they're going to take over, but she is looking years ahead with her stock picks, and this is her genomic ETF called ARKG. Let's take a look at it. On here, it's down a little bit today, but it's had an amazing run up this year. If you had just put your money in ARKG, you would have done very, very well this year. Okay, sentiment is long-term bullish, as I expected. It is long-term bullish on all these genomic stocks, all these biotech stocks. Okay, this is what I'm going to be buying in 2021, guys. I'm not just saying it. I am going to buy this in 2021, absolutely, and with a ton of confidence. Okay, guys, I just wanted to do this quick video to make sure you don't get too sidetracked with the EV space, and make sure you put some biotech on your radar, put it on your watch list, guys. I think these are also going to have some very, very nice returns for you. If you haven't already, please subscribe and join my family of investors. I have a link to an amazing stock market academy called Capitalist Academy. We go live every weekday from 9:15 to 10:15. If you're at work or somewhere else or driving, you can always pop in an earbud and listen to the group. I am on there almost every single morning for the entire 1 hour live stream. I am not a part of it. However, I am a student in the academy, and you can go on there and chat with me. I am always on there, and you can look at my corny jokes and see what I might be trading. I'm in the ladies section. I'm a mod of the ladies section, so you can go ahead in there if you are a lady trader and say, hey Nora, what's up? Alright guys, please check out my links below. If you haven't signed up with a brokerage, I have a Webull link. You can get 4 free stocks right now just for signing up, okay? Guys, have an amazing trading week, and I'll be talking to you soon. Peace.
Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.